Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix any microphone issues that you may have on your Google Chrome. So the process is actually very simple. What you want to do is you want to go and you want to click on these three dot bits here and you want to go into settings. Now, so after you're here, you want to go down and you want to find site settings, which is located right here. So you want to click on this. And as you can see, we have a microphone option. Now, you click on the microphone option, and as you can see, the microphone has an option to be enabled or disabled. So first thing you want to check is if your microphone is enabled or disabled. So that's how that goes. You can also have multiple microphones that you have listed on your computer here. So if you don't know specifically what your microphone is or what's the title or how your PC recognizes it, you may want to go through all of them one by one and just to make sure that it works. So that is how you disable any issues that you may have on your microphone with Google Chrome. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.